I'd come out there, but not with my phone. I have bad luck with that shit as it is. Oh my god, no. Jonah. Woo! I pointed at myself, was like, woo! Bring him up a little bit and build stuff with him. Yeah, that shit hurt. Hey, baby, what's your name?
I don't know. I got stuff in my nose.
Oh, dude, seriously. Oh. Like. It does, it feels good.
I need some water up here.
So it's June 2nd. We're at the beach. It's funny, I didn't know we had beaches up here. Clean ones, anyway. Didn't go under yet. It's cold. So, yeah. We're gonna have some fun. Peace out, Cub Scouts.